Is your front yard feeling dull and uninspired? You're not alone. In this video, we'll show you 5 stunning landscaping ideas to transform your space and boost your curb appeal. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where beautiful spaces come to life. If you're passionate about creating a home that feels uniquely yours, subscribe for more timeless design inspiration. And stick around until the end. We've got a special landscaping idea that could be just what your front yard needs. Now, let's get started. Let's start by addressing a common issue: an uninviting entrance. If your front yard feels cold and unwelcoming, creating a warm and charming entrance can make a world of difference. Start by focusing on the path leading to your front door. A gracefully curved or well-defined walkway can guide visitors smoothly and enhance the overall flow of the space. This can be achieved with materials that complement your home's style, such as natural stone, gravel, or decorative pavers. Next, think about the surrounding area. Incorporate seasonal plants or low-maintenance shrubs that provide color and texture throughout the year. Opt for plants that are suited to your climate and blend seamlessly with the rest of your landscaping. Enhance the entrance with planters that complement your home's style, adding a touch of elegance and charm. Soft outdoor lighting is another key element. Use lighting to highlight the path, accentuate architectural features, and create a welcoming ambiance. Consider options like lanterns, sconces, or uplighting to add warmth and guide visitors to your door. By addressing these aspects, you transform an ordinary entrance into a focal point that exudes warmth and personality. This thoughtful approach not only enhances the visual appeal, but also makes a lasting, positive impression on anyone who arrives at your home. Now let's move on to another common challenge: a front yard that feels flat and uninspired. If your space lacks vibrancy and interest, incorporating a variety of greenery and color can make a big difference. Begin by adding a diverse mix of plants. Incorporate a blend of evergreen shrubs, flowering plants, and ornamental grasses. This variety not only ensures year-round interest, but also creates a dynamic and lush environment. Choose plants with different textures and colors to add depth and dimension. Consider adding colorful flower beds or containers filled with seasonal blooms. Bright, vibrant flowers can instantly enhance the visual appeal and bring a cheerful, lively atmosphere to your front yard. Rotate the plants seasonally to keep the display fresh and engaging. Another way to introduce color is through garden art or decorative elements. Items like vibrant bird baths, sculptural planters, or colorful garden stakes can add personality and visual interest. These elements should complement the overall design and add a playful touch without overwhelming the space. By integrating a variety of plants and colorful accents, you can transform a bland front yard into a vibrant and inviting space. This approach addresses the problem of monotony and creates a front yard that feels lively and welcoming throughout the year. Building on our previous idea of adding color and greenery, let's now explore how to make the most of limited ground space. If your front yard feels tight and lacks dimension, utilizing vertical space can offer a creative solution. Start by incorporating vertical planters or wall-mounted garden beds. These options let you grow plants upward, adding lush greenery without taking up valuable ground space. They're perfect for introducing texture and layers to your landscape. Another effective solution is to use trellises or arbors to support climbing plants. These structures not only add height and dimension, but also serve as focal points in your front yard. Opt for plants that thrive vertically and provide seasonal blooms or attractive foliage. Add vertical features like trellises or screens to divide space and enhance visual interest. By incorporating vertical elements, you tackle the issue of limited space and elevate the overall design of your front yard. This approach helps you make the most of your outdoor area, adding depth and appeal. Ever feel like your front yard could use more than just beauty? If you're looking to make your outdoor space not only attractive but also functional, adding practical features might be the perfect solution. Start by introducing functional elements like a cozy seating area or a stylish outdoor bench. These features provide a space where you can relax and enjoy your garden, making your front yard more than just a visual treat. Think about incorporating a small water feature or bird bath. These elements add a soothing sound and attract wildlife, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Plus, they enhance the sensory experience of your outdoor space. Consider installing a stylish mailbox or a decorative house number sign. These practical additions not only serve a purpose, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your front yard. By integrating functional features, you address the need for a front yard that offers both beauty and utility. This approach ensures your outdoor space is as practical as it is appealing, providing a welcoming environment that serves multiple purposes. Now, picture this. As you approach your home, the front yard unfolds like the opening scene of a grand masterpiece. Every step along the pathway heightens your anticipation, as the landscape seems to draw you in with its perfectly orchestrated design. The soft rustle of leaves, the gentle curve of the path, and the subtle fragrance of blooming flowers all work together to build the moment. And then, there it is, the showstopper. A stunning focal feature that commands attention and elevates the entire space. Imagine a majestic water fountain bubbling gracefully in the center, its soothing sounds filling the air, or a sculptural garden piece that adds both elegance and personality to your front yard. This is more than just an entrance, it's an experience. This focal point not only creates a breathtaking first impression, but also sets the tone for the rest of your home. It anchors the design, drawing the eye and guiding visitors naturally towards your front door. Whether it's the sparkling cascade of water, the gleaming surface of an artistic statue, or the arching elegance of a garden entryway, this feature becomes the heart of your landscape, making your front yard unforgettable. By incorporating such a striking element, you address the challenge of creating a truly welcoming and memorable entrance. This grand focal feature transforms your front yard from merely attractive to absolutely captivating, leaving a lasting impression on everyone who visits. Which idea resonates most with you? Are you drawn to the vibrant greenery, functional features, or dreaming of that grand focal point that makes a lasting impression? Each of these concepts offers a unique way to enhance your front yard, turning it into a space that's not just beautiful, but truly unforgettable. Let us know in the comments which idea you're most eager to try, and don't forget to share how you plan to transform your front yard. We can't wait to hear your thoughts and see your own outdoor creations come to life. Thank you for watching and spending time with us today. If you found these ideas helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. Your front yard is the first impression. Make it unforgettable. See you in the next video.